Lucky, it's here. It's here. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Santa came. Yep. Yay! Come on, get it in. Come on. It's ripping. It's heavy.
Okay.
It's ripping. This is, I haven't opened it yet. I'm so excited. The moment we've all been waiting for.
Yay!
Hopefully it's the right one.
Oh God.
It's a
box in a box.
It's a box in a box.
Yay! Box work.
Do not cut with razor. Well, luckily it's a knife.
No, be careful because it'll go right through it.
Oh my God, it's in there!
Here, so we can...
Yay!
Hey, hon. Hey, hon. Happy birthday.
Thank you. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. We're gonna see what's actually inside this big behemoth of a box. One thing to note that you won't be able to see, this thing is very heavy, especially for Legos. It's a good, I don't know, 20 pounds. It's pretty heavy.
Oh, Lucky's about 27 pounds, so if it weighs
Lucky, come here.
maybe 30 pounds.
Maybe 30 pounds. Because yeah, it's heavier than Lucky. So this one comes with BB-8, Han Solo, Chewie, Finn, Rey, C-3PO. Oh, another Han Solo, a younger Han Solo, Princess Leia, and 2 Porgs. Everyone's favorite Porg.
I like pork.
Slowly and wow.
Wow.
Here's here's the instruction. Look at that.
I can't see.
Oh,
The
you're kidding me.
Look at that. This instruction book is so big, they actually had to bind it. 489 pages of instructions. Like 5, not 5.
I think that's where all your weight is.
Here's casing. And let's see. Wow. Look at that. The different, she's the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. It's the ship that made the Kessel Run in less than 12 parsecs. I've made a lot of special modifications myself. And if you don't know, these are all little facts or statements about the Millennium Falcon. And then we have, she may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts, kid. Famous Han Solo quote. That's it. That is unboxed.
I've never seen anything like this before.
I wonder which one goes first. They don't tell you. They're not labeled. On the side, if you could see through Bella, it makes a picture of the Millennium Falcon right there. That's the first one they've ever made over here. These are the next ones. I don't know. I can't lift it up. But you got to see the first one. First page of instruction. Only 17 bags. They must be pretty big bags. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Wow. It says bag 1, but there's, as of right now, there's 4 bag 1s. We're gonna need table space. You gotta get off. Here, it comes in over here.
Oh, is that?
There you go. Here's all the pieces of the puzzle. We're gonna get started.